Hi guys, welcome to part 11 of 11 finally of our GTM Canvas Bootcamp. I'm so excited to be here. I've been working on this canvas for so long and I've been planning to do YouTube video tutorials on this for far too long than I would like to admit. And I feel like I said in my previous video, I really, really want more people to find it easier to be founders, to find it easier to go through this hard process of not knowing everything, of figuring things out. There will be people smarter than you. God knows there are lots of people smarter than I am. But what I really want to do is share whatever I've learned over the last couple of years, whatever I've learned in my journey, so that it's easier for you to understand and build your own journey because I'm really rooting for you. If you've made it till here, obviously you're super committed, you're super passionate about what you want to do, you're super diligent and dedicated. And like me, you want some structure and some guidance. And I'm very happy that you're trusting me to provide that structure and guidance to you. Beyond this, there are obviously, folks will ask me because that's just what always happens in terms of how we can work together. Couple of things really. One, you have my Topmate link in the description box below where all my services are listed. I have an agency and a very, very talented team where we provide a lot of these creative direction services under brand, GTM, and content. With strategic insight, obviously, my areas of interest are health, longevity, fashion, luxury, and anything lifestyle related. So, if you're building in that, I would love to know, even if we can't work together, I would love to know how else I can support you. So, please tell me in the comments below. What I also want you to do is fill in the form in the description section below once you have filled your GTM canvas. Next week onwards, I'm going to start doing one free session a week, a 45-minute session with one of you who has filled the form and give you my review of it, give you insights and give you feedback on it. There is no better way to work with me, honestly. I'm very confident that you're going to do a great job, and all you're going to need is some guidance and some direction. And we will work on that together. So that will be one every week. You always stand a chance to do a great job. I will make sure I support you even further. We will broadcast these sessions on my YouTube channel so that more people can watch it and learn from it as case studies. So only apply if you're going to be okay with it. But at the same time, there is genuinely no better way to work with me than actually filling out the entire GTM canvas, going through all the 10 parts and then sending it to me for review. I will pick up the ones I like best. But again, I do have limited bandwidth, so I will pick up the ones that I see have put in enough of I will pick the ones that I see have put in enough effort and thought and creativity into doing what they have to do. Feel free to add text, add images, add links. I have no problem. I will deep dive and study your canvas in detail. And when we do meet, I will give you very actionable insights and feedback on your canvas. And we'll upload it so that other people can also see and learn from it. If you have any other questions, feedback, um, thoughts, anything that you really want to share, please add them in comments below. I hope this has been useful. It has been a labor of love, even for me. I've been recording these videos since morning and it's 11:42 p.m. now because it is quite exhausting. There are parts I've recorded multiple times. But I'm really glad I get to do this. I'm really glad I get to work with founders who are in the 0 to 1 space. I was in that space once. I'm not in that space right now. I might be there in the future someday again. But thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you have a great day. I will see you very soon in one of our future videos. Don't forget to, oh, I'm going to do the YouTube creator thing. Don't forget to like the videos, all the videos actually. Please go back and like all the videos. I forgot to say this in all of them. Subscribe to my channel. Share this GTM canvas with someone who you think it'll benefit. And I will see you very soon. Bye.